I have a Ford F150 here. This one got smacked down low here on the bedside. It's getting a new bedside, which I have right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this bedside off. And it also gets, you'll be able to see this better once I get it cut apart, but it gets this brace that goes back behind there as well. It's bent up behind there. So I'm gonna get this bedside cut off, and then he'll be able to see a little better how this goes. All right, I got the side all cut off. Now this is that piece that I'm gonna be replacing, but it looks like there's another piece right here that sandwiches on top of it between the 3 layers. So I'm gonna have them order this piece. We didn't realize that that piece was sandwiched in there like that. So I'm gonna go have them order that right away and get it coming. And I'll get this part cut off now too. I am back onto this Ford F150 bed that I started on yesterday. I finally got this bracket that goes in right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this one prepped out and get these get all this fit up. Then I'll fit up the bedside and get all this welded together, and then I will get the bedside on and start welding it on as well. I got this bedside roughly sitting on here, and it looks like it meets up to all this structure good. I'll do a final fitment on this bedside with the tailgate and everything. But first, I'm gonna lift it back off and I'm gonna go ahead and get all this structure welded in and finished up, so that way when I do my final fitment, I could just leave it on there and start welding. I got this bedside all fit up, ready to weld. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my taillight back out and lift the tailgate back off, and I'm gonna get this bedside welded on.